Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful card you can make with the In the Pines bundle. One of the things I love about this bundle is that it's great for Christmas cards, but you could also use it for masculine cards all year round. Birthday cards, retirement, graduation, Father's Day, sympathy, and so on. Just lovely pine woods imagery and simple classic dies. You can find this bundle on page 43 of your August to December mini catalog, and it's just $70 for 14 stamps and 9 dies. So the measurements for this card are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, a matte layer of 4 by 5.25 inches, and a piece of gold foil that's 2 by 5.25 inches. I've also got some scraps of old olive and white cardstock that I'm going to use. I'm going to start by running both the soft seafoam layer and the piece of gold foil through the embossing machine with the Evergreen 3D embossing folder. Again, this folder is so versatile, not just for the holidays, but all year round. Now, isn't that gorgeous? It's subtle on the soft seafoam layer and then absolutely stunning on the gold foil. Now I'm going to stamp one of these large pine trees from In the Pines stamp set on my white scrap cardstock. Now this stamp set comes with several two-step pairs of stamps so that you can stamp the outline in one color and then fill it in with a different color. Next, I'm going to do some die cutting. I'm going to cut out the tree I stamped with the coordinating die, and I'll also cut out 2 more pine trees from old olive cardstock. This die set includes 2 dies for this tree, so I can get all of those cut at once. And 1 more piece to die cut. This die set includes 2 beautiful curvy dies that you can use to create a ground for your trees to stand on. In other seasons, you could use green or brown for this, but I'm going to use white to create a snowy landscape. Now you can see on the back of this die, it's not going to cut the sides or the bottom. It's just going to cut where this raised line is here to create that beautiful hill. So you can choose to line up your die and cut a very deep patch of snow or a very shallow patch of snow. It's totally up to you. So you line it up like that and you can run it through your machine. Finally, I'm going to stamp my sentiment. I've got some pieces of Whisper White and Old Olive that I've cut to 3/4 of an inch wide and 1/2 inch wide. I'm going to stamp my sentiment on the white piece and then use this fancy new punch, Banner's Pick-a-Punch, on the edges of each of these. Now this punch is amazing because you can get 6 different shapes with one punch. Each side of the punch creates these different shapes based on how wide your cardstock is. The narrowest width is just 1/2 inch, and then 3/4 of an inch, and then a full inch on each side. Now I've punched out some different shapes and layers for you so you can see what I mean. These all came from this one punch. And the trick to layering up like that is just to make sure that when you have your scraps to begin with, that they have a nice 1/4 inch border all the way around them. So I've cut this one to 2 3/4 inches long, and then this one to 3 inches long. It just stands to reason that if they have this beautiful border before you start punching them, they will have it afterwards. Now I'm ready to assemble my card. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. I'm not currently offering in-person classes, but you can visit my website to sign up for Creativity to Go, which means once a month you'll get prepared supplies and tutorials delivered right to your door for you to complete on your own schedule. I am also hosting casual Zoom crafting sessions where you can bring any project you happen to be working on and enjoy a fun social crafting time with others. Find all of these details and so much more on my website. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page under Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. And if you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website. Everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own online party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping. Bye!